everyone, it is a wonderful day to gain more knowledge. I am Antonina M. Del Rosario from BSI 3A, and today we are going to talk about power and hydraulic tools. I know you are excited, so let us not waste any second and let us start to learn. At the end of this lesson, you will able to know what is power and hydraulic tools, differentiate the power and hydraulic tools, be familiar on how to maintain power and hydraulic tools, and know how to properly use it. I chose the power drill as an example of power tool. What is a power drill? A power drill is a tool with an electrical motor that rotates a replaceable drill bit at your choice of speeds to create a hole in a variety of materials. The drill can also take screwdriver bits to allow easier driving of screws through different materials. Power drills come in either corded or cordless versions. Corded power drills offer reliability and strength at the expense of being tied to an electric cord all the times. Let us start to discover how to use and maintain a power drill. First is select the driver or drill bit. For driving screws, use a small driver bit in the shape of the end of a screwdriver. Drills commonly are sold with a starter driver bit for Phillips and flathead screws. You can purchase additional driver bits with the different shapes of screw brands such as Torx and Spax. Tips: always use sharp drill bits for both cleaner, more precise drilling, and for safety. Next step is chuck in the driver or drill bit. Most power drills have the keyless chuck function. This means that you can loosen the drill's collar by turning it counterclockwise until the chuck opens just large enough to permit the driver or drill bit. Then, you tighten by turning the collar in the opposite direction. The rotation of the drill will keep the driver or bit securely in place. Another step is to place the driver or drill bit. With your finger up the drill's trigger, place the drill bit on the spot where you intended to drill. If you are driving a screw, place the driver bit in the head of the screw. Last is to press on the power drill. In some cases, when drilling downward, the weight of the drill will exert enough pressure to carry the drill through the work material. In most instances, though, you should gently press the drill toward the work material. Complete the action. For drilling, the drill bit will continue through the work material. To remove the bit, pull outward while drilling is not rotating. If the drill bit is stuck, turn the drill to its reverse mode and slowly rotate the drill bit while pulling out. Now we are going to learn how to maintain our power drill. If you take care of your tools, they will return the favor. Proper care and routine maintenance of your hand tools and power tools makes any home improvement or repair project easier, safer, and more successful. Power tool care also saves you money because the better they are cared for, the longer they will last. Make it a habit to clean tools after each use before you return them to storage. Wipe them down with a rag or old towel and be sure they are free of dust, grease, and debris before you put them into their proper places. This is also an opportunity to look for any damage or defects. Check your tool's handles for splinters, breaks, and cracks. Also, make sure that material parts show no signs of corrosions or rust. Repair or replace any tools that show signs of damage. Now, let us proceed to hydraulic tools. What is hydraulic tools? Hydraulic tools are high-powered tools that use pressurized fluid to operate hydraulic machinery. The fluid moves through hydraulic tubes into the tool's actuator, where the pressure stored in the fluid is transferred to machine's moving parts. Hydraulic tools are an important part of a rescue squad inventory. They are the backbone of most vehicle extrications and offer an excellent option for heavy lifting operations. I chose floor jack as an example of hydraulic tools. A floor jack is a manually operated hydraulic lift, one of few different types of jacks available and most commonly seen in a mechanic's garage rather than a boot of a car. They are used pretty much exclusively for lifting vehicles, partially off the ground for repairs and maintenance. Unlike other types of jacks, floor jacks sit on a pair of fixed wheels and a pair of swiveling casters. This makes them very easy to move around. The operator rolls the jack until the saddle is positioned underneath the lift point. By pumping and up and down on the handle, the hydraulic cylinder raises the lift arm until the saddle makes contact with the vehicle. The hydraulic cylinder is mounted horizontally. You could view it as a bottle jack lying on its side. Now, let us proceed on how to maintain a floor jack. A dirty floor jack will fail and break down. No ifs, ands, or buts. Dirt is a common reason of why jack may fail. If you are using a jack in an outdoor environment where snow, sand, water, grit, or other foreign matter can accumulate on the jack, and if not cleaned off quickly enough, can work its way into the system and contaminate the system. After have used the hydraulic jack, clean it before you store it. If you wipe down the metal, it will attract less dust. Use a mild soap solution to clean the exterior of the jack. Do not clean the moving hydraulic components. Make sure to lubricate periodically to help prevent premature wearing of parts. A general purpose of grease should be applied to caster wheels, front axle, elevator arm, handle-based pivot bolts, release mechanism, and all other bearing surfaces. Check the seals after use to check for possible oil leakage and replace the seals immediately if you notice any. Don't use the jack again until you have done so. That's all, and thank you so much for listening. Again, I am Antonina M. Del Rosario from BSIE 3A.